Today, Hourglass new lipstick. Packaging this time is really cute. One is the golden color and the bottom is really cute with the hourglass H and the little bunny rabbit over here. And the other one is red. And the lid is magnetic. Let's see, the first color 318 is very creamy, and have a look, the formula itself. Hourglass formula is really nice. And if you guys see the reflection, it's like a silk reflection. Very high class. 318 is a beautiful soft lady petal color. The formula is very creamy, yeah. So you can just use your finger to smudge it out. Look, the thin layer. Oh, look at this color. It's literally like you have rose petal and applied, melted onto your lip. This is a thin layer. Very gentle, soft, elegant. The finishing has a support this color so well. It's like a silk finish. It's slightly subtle than creamy, glossy finish. This is a typical nice silky finish. Now when you make it rich, it has more rosy petal color showing, slightly more towards dragon fruit, pear. Four season wearable, very nice. Obviously with the formula itself, see, it won't last that long, yeah. Next one, 310. Look, the color saturation and the color design itself. This is a very high class, very, how to say, well designed brown red. This is a very high class, showing your elegance lady color. Have a very good balance of brown, orange and red. Second layer on, then it's become a more pumpkin red. Pumpkin orange red. It's a very beautiful color saturation itself, and with the finishing and make the color is so pretty. This is very much daily wearable. And again, you guys know my videos all natural daylight. So it's present the true result on my lip. Next one is 318. It's a beautiful smoky petal, smoky rosy color. Very pretty. Compared to this one, straight away see it's a completely different color tone. Smoky, rosy, very powerful one. Oh, this one I prefer thin layer. Myself, I really like smoky petal rosy color, but 9 out of 10, it will look that I am sick on my skin tone. So it's very hard to find a nice one, and Hourglass is a nice one. Look. It has very good level of gray. This type of smoky petal color is very rare. When I darken it, you can feel there is a hint of gray, but it's not overpowering of the rosy color in there. I just want to seal this color on my lip forever. If you're a similar skin undertone, like yellow based undertone, and you're looking for your perfect smoky rosy color, Hourglass 328. It really brings your lady's personality out. Elegant, intelligent. That's the word. Intelligent lady. Last one is the red design. I bought this purely because of its packaging itself, and it's the color 0 called red. It's more towards cool tone red. For this powerful one, just go for a thick layer. Oh, beautiful color design, beautiful finishing, and I really got nothing, no bad thing to talk about at all. Probably lasting. This formulation doesn't last that long. It's equivalent to cream finish. I really like this collection. Hourglass, this time the color design is so good to really deliver the personality I wanted and make me feel like I can also be a superstar, you know. Well, I know it's a dream, I know it's a joke, but look at the finishing and delivery of this. This is the power. Formula, quality, color design, all thumb up. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you find this video somehow helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down here. I will see you on my next one.